Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. This is Frances here, and today we'll be making okra soup. Please, if you want to know how I made this okra soup, continue watching this video. Here are the list of ingredients. I have stock fish and dried fish. Then next, I have my red oil. In a plate, I have pepper, salt, cube, uziza seed, and onion. Here are my ugu leaves. Next, I'll be showing you the deboned smoked fish. Next on the line is my beef and chicken. I'll be mixing both, okay? Next is my crayfish. After that, I'll be showing you my okra itself, okay? Then next online is the uba, the oil bean seed, okay? There are everything I'll be needing for this recipe, and I hope you all stay tuned and watch out on the preparation. In a clean pot, add in your chicken and beef, okay? Add some salt, add your seasoning cubes. Next in line is the onion. After that, I'll be adding my pepper. Stir properly, mix everything together. Then I'll be placing this on fire to cook and bring out its own juice before I add in water to it. After some time, I added water to it, okay? It has brought out its own juice. Then I'll be adding my uziza seed, like my pounded uziza seed. After that, I'll be adding the stock fish into this soup, okay? Stir everything properly. Alright, stir everything properly. After some time, I'll be adding my crayfish. Mix everything together to combine very well. Next, I'll be adding my red oil. Stir it properly. Cover it and allow it to cook for some time. After some minutes, I checked what I'm cooking, okay? Next, I'll be adding the deboned smoked fish, okay? Stir everything properly so that they will combine together. Okay, I pounded a little bit of the okra, okay? Why I did this is to make the soup draw very well, okay? I pounded a little bit of it and added to the soup. After that, I'll be adding my uba, my oil bean seed, okay? This is sliced oil bean seed. We call it ubove in my local dialect, okay? You add it and stir properly. After that, I'll be adding in the rest of the okra, okay? These ones I chopped them into larger parts, okay? Next, I'll be adding them into the soup. So next I'll be adding my okra leaves. Okay, at this point the soup is ready. After stirring, it shouldn't stay longer on fire so that the green vegetables wouldn't discolor immediately. If it discolors, the nutrients and everything wouldn't be the same again. So it's best when eating while they are still fresh and green. After now the food is ready, all we have to do now is to eat with our favorite swallow. Guys, I'm inviting you all to come and eat with me. And what swallow will you be having this soup with? For me, I had it with fufu. So guys, the soup is ready, guys, and you all are all invited to come and have a taste of this yummy and sumptuous okra soup. Please, if you're new to this channel, if you're coming across this video for the first time, please do well to give the video a massive thumbs up, share this video, and also subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified when next I post an amazing video like this. See you all in my next video, but till then you can check out other amazing recipes I have on this channel. The link will be popping out on the screen. Take care of yourself, you all. Bye bye.